Hi, I'm Dustin Cheek, owner of DC Cheek Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Here today to share another helpful tip that you can do to keep your home's HVAC system safe and operational. We've just published our latest article on our blog at www.cheeksac.com/blog, and you can check out the latest article called Top Tips to Take Care of Your HVAC Unit This Fall. One of the tips in the article has to do with changing your filters and having the air ducts cleaned. As your unit has run nonstop over the hot Georgia summers, it builds up a lot of dirt and dust. So it's a good idea to get up there and change your filter if you haven't done it already. And also while you're there, make sure you have a bright flashlight. Shine it inside the unit. Look at things like the air plenums and inside at the air blowers. If you see dirt and dust that's built up and caked on there, it might be time to have the air ducts cleaned. As little as 1/20th of an inch, according to the EPA, buildup can actually reduce your energy usage by 21% or more. That buildup is not only costing you energy, but it can also be harmful for you to breathe the air as well as your family. If you're sensitive to things like asthma and have air quality issues in your home, feel free to give us a call. We can run an indoor air quality assessment, be happy to show you the things that are built up and let you know if your home's air is safe and good to breathe. It's an easy test, takes less than 30 minutes, and we do it for you while we're out there on a tune-up, checking out things to make sure your home's safe and ready for the winter. Again, you can check out all the other tips at www.cheeksac.com/blog or give us a call at 770-888-8788. Thanks and have a great day.